Bula.
Bula, morning. What's your name?
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Good morning,
Good morning, guys.
Welcome back.
Back to the island family,
Yeah, man.
island tribe. We're here, and island is being naughty as usual. We have a beautiful rock in front of us. We wanted to share with you guys this beautiful village walk today.
Yeah, village walk today, guys. You can see. So we learn about that. It's a volcanic.
It's a volcanic.
Yeah. So, and they also have avalanche here as well.
So about every 6 years or so,
Yeah.
big rocks like this that you see right here, guys, fall down from the mountain.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's good to know.
sounds scary all in all.
Yeah, and look what baby's wearing. Because every village has their rules, and
Let me see what I look like first.
you look good, babe. Don't worry yourself. Yeah. Yeah. So every village has their rules.
Village life, we have to obey and respect the village. Can't wear hats, can
Yeah.
wear sunnies, I think. Yeah.
But we're meeting the chief back at the. We have to take off our sunny as
Hats,
well.
yeah, hats and sunnies off, and wear long skirts for females, and no showing anything.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. So
Island, you're gonna get bitten. Sorry,
it's
this boy.
good. It's good
Yeah,
to know.
it's good, guys.
Yeah. Bula. Yeah.
So yeah. Okay. Island, stop. Once is enough. Wow, we're walking right underneath this rock. It's crazy.
Yeah. Pointing right over. Bula, morning.
Oh, Benson.
Oh yeah. Nice, yeah.
Sugar cane?
No. At first I thought it was, but then I realized, yeah, mango tree. Oh, they have passion fruit. In that lime tree, yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Is this the church?
No.
Yeah, so it's a lot of things where it's just a simple life, guys. Like if you guys are into these kind of stuff, definitely worth traveling
Worth
here.
traveling through here, guys, to see and experience here
Yeah.
in Fiji.
And even at Nabua Lodge that we're staying, we do washing by hand. You know, we didn't use any washing machine, so we do it the local way. And because I'm used to that life as well too, it's still easy. It's nothing that, you know, I forget in a day or a year or two. You know, it's just still in my nature.
Yeah, this must be church.
Yeah, the church.
Have a look.
It's quite big. Yeah, it's a church.
Oh, wow.
It's so cool, and they have coconut plenty. Look how low these trees are.
Loaded.
See?
Beautiful, guys. Oh, sorry, dog. This dog looks like it's sicky.
Yeah,
Sick
it's
a bit.
sick. Yeah.
So make sure that we wash Island's hands and things,
Yeah.
So here, guys, I just wanted to explain. Sometimes families. Bring it this way. Sometimes families. By the way, Fiji water, guys, best. Sometimes families, they get to choose whether they want to bury their family in their front yard or in the backyard. I don't know if it's the same in Jamaica.
Yeah, it's the same. It's just that not a lot of people doing that nowadays in Jamaica, because when you have what you call it, graves on your land, I think the land decrease, doesn't go up in value.
Right.
From memory, I think that's what it is now. But Yeah, like older people back in the day used to do that a lot in Jamaica, and you'll still see that in Jamaica.
Alan, listen to me. Sorry, I just want to tell him. Alan, you need to be gentle with the dog. The dog is sick.
Island, don't bother with the crying something there. Yeah, and then next thing, guys, you'll realize that.
That's nice.
Yeah, you'll realize that everybody here use solar. You know, so solar is the main electricity that generates.
Really good.
Hola. Morning.
Good morning. Come on, Island. Stop, man. Come on.
Island.
Water. Here. Here. Island, we're going for a walk. Yeah.
I'm not too sure. This village is beautiful, the way they build their house and thing.
What are these?
No way these are lime.
Huh?
Oh, they feel really solid.
It was like dinner.
Yeah.
I like that, steady.
Yeah. Island, come.
So these are the solar panels.
Yeah. Hola. Yeah, so even at the last lodge that we're at,
Yeah.
the power goes away for some hours. So sometimes we don't have power.
Hey, hey.
Go back. Don't trust these
Yeah.
dogs, you know.
These dogs, this is vicious. He came with his teeth and started biting.
He's like sniffing
Where?
sniffing us.
Hi, Bula!
Hola.
Oh, he's so cute. Babe, this dog, Mama. Go. Where? Out. Go.
They're just following, I guess, now. It's like we can't get rid of them now.
Now we're going this way.
Hey, listen
You
to me.
This
Stop your
way.
eyes. So where I go?
That's beautiful, guys. It really is. I guess they probably cook like something in this pit here. This must be like an oven.
Or it could be some kind of garbage heap or something.
Get out. Where?
Yeah,
I'ma forget that.
I mean,
It's so strange though when you think about it, how you live on an island. How the hell did a dog get into this island?
they would have brought them here.
Yeah, they would have.
Yeah. Have potato here.
And cassava.
Yeah, cassava. We have lime over there, lime tree.
Lime tree abundant.
Yeah. Island. Come here, Island.
Okay.
Stay right here.
What's wrong? Look.
Let's see something. Okay, so these people, they pray a lot as well.
Church is a thing
Yeah,
here.
very, very religious, you know. They're very peaceful and welcoming people. Like you can easily see that even with kids, they love Highland. High tide at the moment.
And love.
Oh, look at that banana, how loaded it
Yeah,
is.
Bob Marley, lover.
Yeah.
Bula.
Hola, morning. What's your name?
What's your name?
Tyrone. What's your name?
My name is Moses.
Nice to meet you, Moses.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Going to school this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Maria,
Moses.
nice to meet you.
Bula.
Island?
Oh, he's in an attitude.
Yeah.
Bad mood. Where you go to school?
Yeah.
Main Island or here?
Here.
Oh, okay. What
cool.
year? What form?
Bula.
7, 12, 13. Oh, Bula. Lovely. We just said we saw your One Love Bob Marley Sulu. Yeah, nice. Nice. Where you buy that one? Main Island?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Oh, we're gonna have to
Yeah.
invest in one, hey?
Get one, yeah.
So
Island.
they're trying to make friends with him, guys, and Island's not having it. So yeah, Island's being very unruly lately.
Yeah.
Say hi to the kids, Naman. Come on. Oh, what are you having, breakfast?
Yeah.
What time school start?
At no, this day is not school.
Oh, okay.
Prefect induction.
Oh,
Prefect induction. Wow. Interesting. Bula.
Bola.
Wow.
We will go at 9:30.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. What year you in? What year? I love their uniform.
Yeah,
Their
it's
uniform
so
is really
cool.
nice. Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
All right, kids. We see you after. You come back.
Alright.
You not go to school? No school? Yeah? Oh, they're so cute, guys.
Yeah.
Like, honestly.
I tell you.
All right.
We'll see you around.
See you, man.
See you.
Okay.
Oh, nice to the village, yo.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's really nice, guys. Oh, wow. They must have had lots of
It's like a, they call it clam.
fun. Yeah, fun.
Yeah.
Just don't peeing on everyone's bloody tree. Right?
Yeah. Oh, so these are the what's the right name?
Sulu.
Sulu. Yeah, that they wrap around their waist.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
The dragonfly. It's okay. It's not going to do anything to you.
Yeah. Bula. Morning.
Hello.
Bula.
Hey, shake hands. Say hello. Don't be
Island, don't do that.
in the mood today.
Yeah.
Hey, behave yourself. All right, guys. I'll tell you. We see
I
you
go
soon.
to Mali.
Yeah, tell Mali.
Yeah.
Tell Mali.
Bula, morning. So beautiful. Yeah, that's where they like. Bula, morning. Morning, Bula. I think I said it before, like Bula in Jamaica it's something we eat and Bula here is hello.
I told you the biscuits.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
Someone's playing music.
Bula. Oh,
So cute. Man.
yeah.
The kids here are so happy.
Yeah. Like how they do the coconut shell around the little flowers. Like the garden bars, the sugar cane. Wanna play ball? It's probably not gonna leave here, no?
Yeah, probably not. Hi, Bula.
Bula! Play ball, Island? Good boy.
Go get it. Quick, it's going to run into the sea.
Yeah, it's quite hot.
Hello. Go.
Ready to go, Island? Good, thanks you. Bula.
Very good.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
We enjoy our walk. Okay.
Yeah,
Got
yeah.
you. Bye.
Beautiful village. Love it. Yeah, Binaka.
See these flowers? I was just checking out the flowers.
Yeah, I look at the. Oh, these ones? Yeah. And this tree itself, look unique. If you look at the leaves, like the leaves look really unique. Yeah.
Look at the shelf.
Yeah. Wow.
I love how people do their gardens in that here.
It's really nice, man. Really, really nice. That's it. Oh, there. Voila, morning. They have dasheen and cocoa.
And this guy
mixed together.
is the kava.
Oh, yeah.
Drinking kava.
Oh,
they
yeah.
dry it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice banana pan tree there. Up on banana, boy. Yes. Island, slow down.
Island, stop, slow down.
These dogs probably gonna have a clash or something.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, they're gonna.
Hey!
There.
I think we've come to a dead end. Hola!
Voila.
This
Okay.
is the end of the village?
It's a beautiful walk.
Lovely!
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you, Naka.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
And
Nice,
Good,
thank
thanks.
you. I like your plants here.
you?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Best view.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. And nothing more further, just a rock.
Yeah. Just a rock.
Just a rock.
Island. Chill.
How long have you been living here? All your life?
For 11 years.
Okay.
I'm from the capital city. You know the capital of Fiji?
Yeah. Nandi?
Suva.
Oh,
Oh,
Suva.
Suva.
Sorry, yes. Oh,
Okay.
Suva is the capital.
Suva is the capital of Fiji.
Oh.
That's where I am come from.
Okay. And tell me, what is in Suva, like big town, big city?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big house. Big double-story building there.
Really?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. We've never been.
Oh, try to go.
Okay, we will. We will.
Try to go to the capital city.
How far from Nandi? From Nandi is
Traveling hours, it's 5 hours travel.
5 hours.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey. Even the flowers here, guys, are so beautiful, man. Everybody has a little garden. I haven't seen these flowers in ages, guys. Long time from me a little boy. Even this one. I swear, by nature, everything just connects. It doesn't matter where you are in the world.
Yeah.
Like like you're from the Caribbean or you're from the Pacific Islands. It's just pretty much the same trees you get to see.
Food.
Yeah, everything.
Food, same everything.
Yeah, it's amazing to see, man.
I honestly feel like I want to walk up there, eh?
Yeah.
This evening we'll do it.
Wow.
So guys, we were just talking with Babe and we realised that everywhere we go there's always a dog following us.
Yeah.
When we're in Jamaica there's always a dog following us. Now we're in
Literally.
Fiji and there's a dog following us.
Yeah.
Next place probably 5 dogs are going to follow us. But yeah, it's only because they know the tourists will feed them.
Yeah.
But it's no luck with me.
I tell you.
Nope.
But all in all, guys, a beautiful village.
Island, it's just being island.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Had to pinch his bum a couple of times. There's people in the village, they come and say hello.
Yeah.
And he doesn't say hi back, he just snobs them, and
Because
that's not respectful
he's
at all.
being in a mood. That's not gonna work, man.
Yeah, so
That's
sitting
why.
here right now underneath the tree, getting some breeze.
Yeah, man. That's why we can't do certain thing on camera, discipline him, because you know YouTube is, you know, people are sensitive, so you know the thing they go.
But we do.
Island, get down.
We do discipline him to be respectful, and
Yeah.
you know, we're in other people's homes right now. It's not like we're in
Exactly.
a hotel or resort or even at home.
Exactly.
Even still at a resort, you'd be respectful.
Yeah, no matter where. Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Whew, that looks bright on me.
Yeah, good luck.
Our rosy cheeks. Hang on, I'm gonna tie my hair up. Yeah, but overall, we've had a really good time.
Yeah.
Just hold on for a minute. Had a really good time, and we've really enjoyed ourselves here.
We love it.
We were supposed to stay here for 3 nights, but I think we're going to cut it down to 2.
Yeah.
So that we can travel on the main island, which apparently the capital is Suva.
Yeah, Suva.
Not Nandi.
Yeah.
Not Nadi, sorry.
Yeah.
So yeah, I keep saying Nandi, but
Yeah.
it's Nadi. So yeah.
Yeah, man.
So we're going to be traveling Suva and check that out, and also yeah, so we're going to leave tomorrow,
Yeah.
and yeah, that's it.
And I hope you guys are enjoying these videos so far.
I hope so too, and I
we
hope
are,
that
you know?
we gain some Fijian subscribers. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's not our only time here in Fiji. It's not like we won't be back again. We might not be back soon, but we'll
Yeah.
be back again
Yeah, man.
when we can.
True.
We have some real plans ahead of us, guys, and this coming here has really opened up our eyes
Yeah, and
to a lot of things. So
I tell you,
we won't disclose much, but just know we plan for the future.
yeah.
Yeah.
I tell you, it's like when you travel, you gain ideas, you gain experience, you know, that can help you
Like the
in your...
homestay, we never knew about that.
Yeah, like I've never heard of that before. We have never heard. Yeah, it's just a real eye-opener to these things.
Yeah.
And to see how many tourists, how much these islands, what you call it, depend on tourism, you know, because remember we were talking to the guy back at Nabua Lodge, and he says tourism is like their main income. When during the pandemic they didn't make much money from tourism,
Yeah.
so they had to live off the land mainly, you know, until they started getting tourists again. So yeah.
So guys, we're going to wrap this up and we're going to go swimming.
Yeah,
and maybe Babe will go fishing, I don't know,
Yeah.
whatever he wants to do.
Yeah, we'll see how the day turns out.
Yeah, but other than that, I'll have to look for somewhere for tomorrow, because we're leaving tomorrow for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright,
So
we will catch you guys
in the next video.
in the next video.
Yeah, man.
Take care.
Blessings.
Blessings.
Give thanks.